Hello guys and gals, and we have a product review here. I'm not sure if they still make these, to be honest, but these are on a clearance table in Dollar General. So Clover Valley is of course Dollar General's brand. So we have Tropical Punch, and we have these they're the like Kool-Aid jammers actually. So they're like the little drink pouches, 50% less sugar than leading brand soda. I want to do a review of these anyways. I don't know if they still make them. I'm sure some place probably still sells these. 8 pouches. So 8 pouches times 6 fluid ounces would be 178 milliliters for all you gorgeous metric users. Total of 48 fluid ounces, 1 quart, 1 pint, or 1,424 milliliters for all you gorgeous metric users. Let's go ahead and go and look at the thing back here. He's been in the fridge a while because I kept wanting to do a review of these. I kept forgetting. But anyways, we have nutritional facts. 8 servings per container. Serving size is 6 fluid ounces or 180 milliliters. 25 calories per pouch. No fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, no sodium, 2% of total carbohydrates, no fiber, 12% of added sugar, no protein, no vitamin D, no calcium, no iron, and no potassium. Wow. Very little sugar, which is kind of unusual. I know the Kool-Aid jammers had a lot more sugar, I think. I don't know how these are going to taste because I've not even tried these yet. This is an unopened package of them. So I think to open these, you just pull this, like this, and then you open them like this. I kind of like this box. It's kind of cute. These are still icy cold from the fridge. So we have the pouch right here. Does come with a cute little straw, like a Kool-Aid jammer. So yeah, I'll try these. So looks like it's like pineapple and apple and stuff like that. Different kinds of apples, I guess, which would make sense, I suppose. Also, cherry looks like an orange. I'm looking at the box. Apple, orange, cherry, green apple, red apple, pineapple. But anyways, let's open this up and we're gonna go from there. First, I was like, where do I put the straw? But then I realized there was an X right above the sun in Clover Valley. So I'm like, okay, that's kind of a neat touch. Let's try this. Okay, for not having much sugar, it is a very sweet drink. Let me see if I can pick up on some of the subtle flavors here. Very, very sweet. Definitely a lot of flavors at work here. Let's see if I can figure out what they all are. Seems like every time I take a drink, I taste something else slightly different. It tastes very fruity, but I can't exactly isolate the individual flavors, which is okay. It's tasty, very, very tasty, especially for a low sugar beverage. I hope they still make these. Maybe they were just like sold out or something, or they were just trying to get rid of some old stock. I hope they still sell these because these are really tasty, and these were only like $1 or something because they were on the dollar on the discount rack. That's tasty. Again, I can't really identify the individual flavors, but it is a very sweet drink. Very satisfying taste. Hmm. Seems like every time I take a sip, it tastes a little bit different, and I like that. So yeah, all the flavors here are mingled really nice because every time I take a sip, it tastes a little bit different, which is really unique. For something with this low amount of sugar, it is also very sweet and tasty. So yeah, this is indeed a product that I would highly recommend you check out. But that's just my opinion. You can either take my opinion or leave it. Other way is fine. What I like most about this product would have to be the taste. They really managed to encapsulate a taste that really balances all the flavors involved. And I like that. I always like a really good flavor balance. But anyways, that is again just my opinion. That is going to do it for this video. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Ring the bell so you know I upload. Also, if you want to support me in any way, or if you want to join the Discord server, all that information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone. You are loved, and have a great day.